This is November 3, Victor Echo Mike from Parks on the Air with your month ending March 2022 Parks on the Air update. Be sure to visit parksontheair.com for information about the program and pota.app for spotting, park information, leaderboards, and more. In Parks on the Air news, we hope you'll join us in just a few days for the Spring Support Your Parks event on April 16th and 17th UTC. If the past is any indication, there could be anywhere from 6 to 800 operators putting Parks on the Air for the weekend event. This is a great opportunity to get out portable and activate some parks as the weather turns warm, or to just stay at home and have plenty of parks to chase. It's also an excellent opportunity to practice and prepare for the summer's big event, our annual plaque event. This year, that happens on July 16th and 17th UTC. All of our plaques, including the 3 new DX Activator plaques, are now fully sponsored thanks to a number of generous hams. More information about the summer event will be coming over the next couple of months, so stay tuned to these monthly POTA updates and the plaque event section of pota.app. And now for our monthly stats update. March's warming weather brought out quite a few more operators than the prior month. We had approximately 1,700 operators out as compared to February's approximately 1,500. These 1,700 hams did more than 9,000 activations from over 3,600 parks in 31 different DX entities. The top activators for the month were N2NWK, who did 289 activations, and W6ZD, who activated 100 different parks. The top hunter for the month was someone that anyone who has ever picked up a QST magazine should recognize, none other than K1RO, who earned the honor by hunting 1,745 parks while making 2,372 QSOs. In POTA DX, we continued to see some very interesting shakeups. By region, the busiest countries are the familiar 3 of England in Region 1, Canada in Region 2, and Japan in Region 3. Japan once again managed to just squeeze ahead of Canada as the top DX entity with 322 activations compared to Canada's 308. We had a new upset in the top DX activations category this month, with the most activations going to a station in Region 1, M0OVG, who did 52 different activations. The most DX parks activated went to a now familiar call sign, JF7RJM, who finished out just slightly ahead of VA7DBJ with 25 parks activated. Last but not least, let's check in on the progress of the Bailey Sprott Challenge. In 2021, N5HA and W9AV each managed to hunt a park every day, so in 2022 we're following along to see if anyone else can match their feat. At 94 days into the year, we have 5 activators who have activated every day of the year: N2NWK, KE8PZN, KD4MZM, KB3WAV, and WC1N. The pool of hunters has now dipped to just 40, including yours truly, still in the mix. To all of the Bailey Sprott participants, congrats on your success so far, and we look forward to seeing how you do as we head past the 100-day mark. This concludes our March 2022 Parks on the Air update. As always, the team at Parks on the Air wishes you safe activations and happy hunting. 73.